Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by starting JAWS and getting immediate focus. Make sure it's licensed and your audio device is connected. You need speech output. Press Insert plus J to launch JAWS and listen for the startup tone. This tells you it's ready. Once done, use Tab or arrow keys to move through the UI. Pay attention to spoken labels because they tell you where focus is. Make sure to set voice rate lower at first so you can pick up command feedback without rushing. Now you'll navigate content efficiently by using JAWS navigation keys. Press H to jump headings, K for links, and T for tables when in a browser. These shortcuts map the page. To hear content you're on, use Insert plus left or right arrow for line or sentence reading. Hold and release for control. When moving across programs, use Alt plus Tab and rely on the virtual cursor in browsers so JAWS treats web elements as accessible controls. Finish by learning form and editing workflows plus a key troubleshooting tip. Press F to enter form mode and use Tab or Shift plus Tab to cycle fields. Type normally and use Insert plus left arrow to hear current line while editing. Use Insert plus S to toggle speech if you need quiet, and Insert plus down arrow for say all when you want complete page reading. If audio stops, first verify your device and volume, then restart JAWS. Only reboot the computer if restarting JAWS doesn't restore speech. This saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.